Shout out to my client, LK The Voice. You guys follow him on IG. I appreciate all my clients that are models for these videos. I appreciate everything that these guys do for me, but I want to point out these areas where he's thinning. So today we're going to be doing an even all over haircut. Simple haircut. But with this type of hair texture, you have to be really careful. And you have to be very precise with your haircut. You have to understand that you don't really have to jerk at the clippers like you would with masters. With these clippers, you can just place on the head and just let them do his job. You just have to look at these clippers and just become one with these clippers and become one with your clients as well. This is going to be a conscious video because I want to break some of these things down to you guys that you may have questions about. So let's just get right into it. We put our 3 guard on top. And you see how I'm just allowing the clippers to glide right through the head.
Scammer shots on the beat.
I'm combing to make sure that I'm following that blade pattern, to make sure that we're ensuring that we don't cut any type of calyx, and we're watching for calyx as we continue to comb through the hair and stroke. This client, again, is getting a 3.5 all the way around. Nice round edge up around the back. We're going to do the beard today as well. We're going to fill in those corners that are thinning. And once we get to that step, I'll explain to you guys the HD service that lasts about 2 weeks. Great service, the clients love it, highly addictive, and it just enhances the haircut all over. So now we're taking our edges and we're coming around that nape area. It's the technical term for it, but we're gonna give a precise line and round it in the back because he likes his round, and I think it goes well with his head shape as well and his hair texture. So we're gonna round that all the way around, nice and clean. I do apologize for not having a camera, guys, but you know we're just rocking into this thing, man. We'll get better as we go. While you're at it right now, you guys just click that like, comment, and subscribe button. We're gonna speed this scene up for you guys. Pretty standard line around the ears. Definitely don't want to take up too much of you guys' time, but I do want to be able to give you something that you can learn within a 12-minute time frame. So just look how precise I'm being with those clippers. Look at how I'm using the clippers as a pencil. So the rest of this cut will be strictly edges. Just remember we only did a 3 guard with the grain because he likes his hair thick so that his waves can show. And we're gonna repair the edge up. I'm gonna speed this scene up for you guys.
Scammer shots on the beat.
30 hertz straight
Thank you for taking your time out and watching this video. I really appreciate you. Now we're using our HD. Watch as I apply our HD to the affected area. But after I apply it, I come back with the fibers while it's still wet. I like to use the hair illusion fibers. I'll make sure I drop the link in the description for all of these items that I am using. Some of these items you may not be able to get because they're custom made for me. Like that card that I'm using. So the next item that I'll be using is a ghost sponge spray. It's a type
Scammer
of
shots on the
spray
beat.
with the extra hole.
30 hertz
And
straight
then I'll
up.
apply my fibers once again because the area is affected badly with loss of hair. And then I comb through it so that the fibers look more natural. And you see them on his forehead now. So I hit it with more holding spray. And then I come back with fibers once again. To me, this looks more natural. To me, when they go home and shower or sweat, this doesn't come off. Also, allow the hair to properly dry for 24 hours before going to work out, before doing any activities that are going to cause you to sweat. Like I said, the HD service will last you about 2 weeks. The clients love it. It makes the cut look nice, precise, precision. Also, makes the client walk out of there feeling better than they felt when they walked into the shop. At Gifted Hands Barbershop, we sell confidence daily. So now we're gonna re-edge up. We're gonna hit that line.
30 hertz straight up.
Just to take all the excess fibers off. I'm gonna comb through it lightly so that we're making sure that no fibers fall off or rub on his pillow when he gets home. Special instructions are given to clients after receiving the HD service. Excuse me. So we're gonna work that line and get all the excess off. Here, you see the difference, how thin the hair is versus here. Completely different. Beautiful.
Scammer shots on the beat.
Now we will apply the same
30 hertz
technique
straight up.
to this side here. Also, I want to give a shout out to 30 Hertz Beats, free beat that I found on YouTube. Great beat, man. Awesome channel. I'll continue to support you. I'll drop that link in the description as well. I do not own the rights to this music. Just to clarify, just so you guys know that 30 Hertz Beats is the man behind the madness. And so now we're gonna do the
Scammer
same
shots
thing
on the beat.
to this side.
30 hertz straight up.
But here you have a clear view of the angling, of the ways that I hold my clippers, the degrees, the way I control the clipper, like it's a pencil. Pay attention closely to what you see. Here's another one of those detailing tools. Pay attention. It is called a detail pencil, a detail barbering pencil. I will make sure I drop the link for the description for this as well. But I want you guys to understand that every barber is different, just like every artist is different. Everyone has their own cutting style, and you just become comfortable with whatever cutting style suits you, whatever cutting style your clients love, because we do this for our clients and for our communities. The detailing pencil really enhanced the edge up. Just check him out. Look how clean he is. I mean, he's flawless right now. And he's feeling it. I hope you guys take this time to enjoy the rest of this cut. I'm gonna put this in the hands of my man, 30 Hertz Beats, and let the music just ride. And I'll be back on the next video.
Scammer shots on the beat.
30 hertz straight up.
Scammer shots on the beat.